The AMD Ryzen 7-9800X3D has firmly established itself as a gaming powerhouse. But to unleash its sustained boost clocks, choosing the right motherboard is paramount. Modern, high-end boards bring massive upgrades to user-friendly PC building, featuring toolless clip-and-latch mechanisms that simplify modern custom builds. Here, I will show you the best motherboards for Ryzen 7-9800X3D.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Gigabyte X870E Aorus Elite motherboard. The foundation of a reliable, high-tier gaming ecosystem begins with the engineering marvel of the Gigabyte X870E Aorus Elite motherboard. Built specifically to handle intense workloads, it features a heavy-duty twin digital voltage regulator module design structured across multiple power phases to guarantee ultra-stable, smooth energy delivery to your high-performance processor. Thermal management is handled elegantly by a multi-layered metal armor grid that covers critical hot zones alongside advanced thermal shielding over its expansive storage slots. This hardware architecture supports lightning-fast DDR5 memory profiles through automated extreme overclocking extensions, ensuring rapid frame delivery in demanding competitive situations. It boasts an array of peripheral options, including high-bandwidth storage interfaces alongside multi-gigabit hardware networking and integrated cutting-edge wireless transmission. On number 2, we have MSI Mag X870 Tomahawk motherboard for builders seeking uncompromised long-term durability and structural value. The MSI Mag X870 Tomahawk motherboard delivers exceptional hardware reliability. It relies on a comprehensive duet rail power layout, combined with premium smart power stages to handle demanding energy peaks without breaking a sweat. Thick, extended metal thermal structures envelop the top side of the board to maximize dissipation surface area, ensuring that system components stay cool even during extended rendering or intense gaming sessions. Storage capability is heavily emphasized here, providing multiple concurrent solid-state paths running over high-generation data tracks alongside toolless thermal shield assemblies that make adding extra capacity a breeze. Onboard networking features a supercharged multi-gigabit physical link alongside wide-bandwidth wireless connectivity, reducing latency down to minimal levels for optimal web performance. On number 3, we have Asus ROG Strix X870-A motherboard, bringing a stunning visual aesthetic alongside highly tuned architectural features. The Asus ROG Strix X870-A motherboard represents a gorgeous contrast for premium gaming configurations. Flaunting a distinct silver and white design layout, it integrates a massive multi-phase power stage delivery block engineered with high-end metallic capacitors to handle aggressive voltage spikes smoothly. System monitoring is augmented by proprietary predictive cooling algorithms that dynamically adjust internal fan speed curves against acoustics to balance thermal performance silently. Connectivity stands at the forefront with dual high-bandwidth data paths, providing rapid interface transmission speeds alongside fast power charging technology routed through a versatile rear layout. High-resolution sound processing is isolated on an independent shielded audio section to preserve pure signal acoustic depth during immersive gaming sessions. With specialized quick-release mechanisms built for primary expansion channels and streamlined internal wiring points, it provides builders with the ultimate combination of striking design appeal and sophisticated tracking performance for modern hardware configurations. So, these are some of the best motherboards to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.